Which grain is known to be one of the most nutritious, gluten-free, and alkaline foods that has been grown throughout Africa and Southeast Asia for thousands of years? It's even mentioned in the Bible in Ezekiel 4:9. Hi, I'm Lauren Alexander. The answer to the question is millet. I didn't start incorporating millet into my diet until about 7 years ago, and I'm so glad I did. I had never heard of it. I've encountered people who say they've never heard of it, and millet is a wonderful breakfast food and base for many meatless dishes. It's a good source of vitamins A, B, phosphorus, calcium, iron, and protein. Millet can be used to make bread, cereal, and other dishes. Even today, it is a staple food around the world. In fact, millet is gaining renewed popularity because of how versatile it is and it's easy to grow. You can find millet in pearl, finger, proso, and sorghum varieties throughout the U.S. While these types of millet may look slightly different, they all provide similar health benefits. Millet contains 11% protein and is rich in niacin, which helps your body manage more than 400 enzyme reactions. Niacin is also important for healthy skin and organ function. In fact, it's such an important compound that it's often added to processed foods to enrich them. Millet is known to have antioxidants. The darker varieties are an excellent source of beta-carotene. This natural pigment acts as both an antioxidant and as a precursor to vitamin A, helping your body to fight off free radicals and supporting the health of your eyes. Oxidative stress is thought to play a role in various diseases, including cancer, cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and eye diseases such as cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Researchers have concluded that natural antioxidants, such as those found in millet, can play a role in the prevention of chronic diseases. This is good news. Millet is not just for the birds. This power grain makes a great breakfast porridge or cereal because it is rich in dietary fiber, which helps your blood sugar levels to be stable. Millet is low in simple carbohydrates and high in complex carbohydrates, making it a low glycemic index food. This means it takes longer to digest than the standard wheat flour. Low GI foods like millet can help keep your blood sugar from spiking after eating, which allows people with diabetes to manage their blood sugar levels more easily. Another great benefit. The soluble fiber in millet can help reduce the amount of bad cholesterol in your blood, a risk factor for atherosclerosis. Soluble fiber turns into a gel in your stomach and absorbs cholesterol, allowing it to be safely carried out of your system. Some studies show that millet can also raise your good cholesterol levels and lower the triglycerides. It's rich in potassium and it will support kidney and heart function. Potassium plays a role in nerve signal transmission, which is how your brain and muscles communicate. There's so many benefits. One serving of cooked millet is approximately 1 cup, which is about 207 calories, 1.7 grams of fat, 6 grams of protein, 41 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fiber, and less than 1 gram of sugar. Dried millet can be cooked like quinoa, for example. 1 cup of dried millet requires 4 cups of water to cook well. In a saucepan, bring millet, water, and a little pink Himalayan sea salt to a boil. Simmer 2 to 3 minutes. Then pour into a crock pot and slow cook for several hours, or overnight if you wish. You want to make sure the water is absorbed. Millet can also be cooked on the stove top for about an hour, or using an Instapot. Mix in some organic berries or other fruits of your choice, nut butter or seeds, and you have a wonderful cereal in the morning that's well-rounded. Millet can be ground up to make flour, which is great to use in gluten-free bread recipes or in flatbreads. Try these suggestions for ways to incorporate millet into your diet. Substitute millet for rice in a pilaf. Mix millet into your next batch of waffles. Add cooked millet to Thanksgiving stuffing, or cook millet as an alternative to couscous. My favorite way to eat millet is in bread. My sister's recipe for millet onion bread is in the description box. It's gluten-free, yeast-free, dairy-free, and sugar-free, and it's delicious. I hope you can try it. If you learned something new in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive updates. Enjoy eating millet, friends. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.